Hello, this is Aryan, and today I'll be demonstrating how you can basically implement live patching in the Linux kernel. We are on Debian right now. As of making this video, Debian currently does not support live patching by default. So I'm currently working as a GSoC contributor on this project, which is introducing Linux live patching in Debian. So this is mostly a proof of concept of how live patching might actually work. So right now we can look that we are inside a Debian set virtual machine. So let's get started. So firstly, live patching is currently supported in the mainline Linux kernel, but so we'll be taking a look at it. And right now we have file here right now. It's inside the mainline Linux kernel. It's under the samples folder, live patch shadow mod.c. This is an example file for live patching. So this is basically a how do you say, a function that has some kind of problems. So this is mostly a buggy code. We're basically inserting a buggy kernel module into the kernel, and then we'll be using live patch to patch it out. So this is the buggy kernel module. So we actually have the code inside GNE. So this is the buggy module, and it has a lot of defects. Like, we are basically introducing some kind of memory leaks, and using these files such as fix1 and fix2, we'll be using both of these live patch files to fix the problem. We also have a make file, and this make file is quite important because using this make file you need to generate a kernel module. So let's get started. So firstly, we need to remember two important commands. Those are the first one is basically for telling systemd that you want to insert some custom kernel modules into the kernel, and you want to let systemd to let dmessage to allow these kernel modules to run. And the second one is basically for building the kernel module files. You need to run the exact same command. So let's get started. So we have our terminal up, and we are inside the folder. So let's run this exact command right now. Okay, now let's have a look at it. Okay, now you can see that a bunch of files got generated for us, and you can see a lot of stuff, but we only need the ones ending with the .ko file path. And let's actually use this command as well. Okay, so we just temporarily disabled all of the dmessage restrictions. So let's have a look at dmessage right now. Okay, this is our dmessage right now. So let's try inserting the faulty kernel module. So our faulty kernel module is where is it? Okay, for some reason I could not do it directly with a single make file, so I decided to separate all of them. So right now we have the main kernel module, the faulty kernel module file, which is this one, and we also have the fixes in the separate folders. This is the fixed kernel module, and this is also another fixed module that will improve the fix. So right now let's insert the kernel module into the kernel. So our kernel module file, the faulty one is this one. So let's insert the command. I forgot the sudo. Okay, now let's check the dmessage. Okay, so we inserted the dummy kernel module, and it's causing some kind of memory leaks. So now let's insert the fix. Okay, so we also inserted the fix, and you can see this in the command line. So we also inserted the fix. Now fix 1. Now let's insert the fix 2. Okay, so you can see how both of, okay, I did not. Okay, I'm pretty sure I did. Okay, so you can see that the entire dmessage log. So when we inserted the faulty function, it caused some kind of memory leaks. But as soon as we inserted the fix 1, you can see that it actually patched the faulty function. And if you go further down, you can also see the fix 2 was also applied. So this is basically live patching, a live patching demo from the kernel documentation. Now if you want to remove all of these inserted modules, you just have to type sudo rmmod. Okay, it's in use, but this is this insmod command, it's only inserts the kernel modules temporarily, so it does not alter your kernel on the disk. So this is a very good method to implement live patching, and that's it for this video.